I'm now going to discuss about an example which is an example of very bad and poor leadership. Poor leadership on part of UK Prime Minister Mr. Boris Johnson. There is an article which has come in the Goa Times of India newspaper on 9th of March, which was Tuesday. And this article was basically, it was the interview which Prince Harry and her good lady Meghan Markle had given to Oprah Winfrey. Now the headlines of the article says, I'll read out, I'll just read what it is given here. Just didn't want to be alive. Meghan reveals life as royal. In interview with Oprah, accuses British royal of racism. Now this is a big article, everything is there in this article. It is there in public domain, it must be there online also, it must be existing in YouTube also. Now post this in the same newspaper, the UK Prime Minister washed his hands off and said that, it says, I'll read out what UK Prime Minister said. PM won't comment, says he has highest admiration for Queen. British Prime Minister Mr. Boris Johnson is steadfastly refusing to comment on the explosive allegation of racism and dysfunction inside the royal family. Johnson says he has always had the highest admiration for the Queen and the unifying role she plays in our country and across the Commonwealth. So I'm not reading it further, I'm just read out the initial 2-3 lines of what he had to say about this interview of Meghan Markle with Oprah Winfrey. Now what troubles me is, which is a sign of bad leadership, is that UK Prime Minister and Parliament has no time to discuss the racism existing in their own country, and that too in their royal family, which is held in the highest of the pedestals there. And but they have the time to discuss what is happening in India, what is happening in India, and they have the time to discuss this in their parliament. In fact, they discuss the Indian farm laws in the parliament, which they had no business to discuss. It is beyond their domain. It is for the Indian government to see if there are the laws which has been passed by the Indian Parliament. What has UK Parliament got to do and debate about it? They should debate this law which is existing in their own country first, rather than debating the Indian farm law which Indian government is there and discussing with the farmers who have an agreement with that law. So they have no business. It's a sign of bad leadership on part of the UK Prime Minister. These are the articles here. This is the newspaper Times of India, Tuesday 9th March, and this is the article which I just read out. Just didn't want to be alive. Meghan reveals life as royal, and then there's full interview, some excerpts of the interview are there. And these are the comments of the UK Prime Minister which I read out. He washed his hands off, but he has the time to discuss. The Parliament has the time to discuss. This is the newspaper Times of India, go again, of Wednesday 10th March. And they had the time, the UK Parliament had the time to discuss the Indian farm law. India slams farm debate in UK Parliament, summons and void. So I think it's a very poor leadership displayed by the PM of UK. They have no business to discuss. If at all, they should discuss this, what is plaguing their country, the racism which is existing there.